If you've been anywhere near the AI video space lately, you've probably heard one name more than any other: Seedance. It's everywhere. And there's a reason for that. Today, we're running it inside Runway, side by side with their own Gen 4.5 model, so you can see exactly what the fuss is about. Seedance 2.0 is a video generation model built by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. And in the last few months, it's quietly become one of the most impressive models out there. Runway has been one of the top AI video platforms for a while now. I actually covered it on this channel before, but the platform has grown so much since then that it was time to come back. And this video kicks off a brand new Runway series. So if you're new to AI video generation, this is actually a great place to start. It's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there, and today we're using it to test Seedance 2.0. Let me show you a few examples before we get into the tutorial side of things. What you're looking at right now was generated from a single text prompt. No reference images, no extra settings, just words. And you can download all the prompts I used in this video from the link in the description below. Look at the motion. It's not just objects moving, the whole scene breathes. The lighting shifts, the camera follows through naturally, and the details hold up even in motion. That's one of the things Seedance does really well. It understands physics. Cloth moves like cloth. Water behaves like water. Hair reacts to wind. The level of detail in the textures and the way the light behaves, it's genuinely impressive for an AI-generated clip. To access Seedance inside Runway, simply create a new video project, open the model selector, and you'll find Seedance 2.0 listed alongside Gen 4.5. That's it. Now it's time for the real test, and I want to be upfront. Runway's Gen 4.5 is not some outdated model we're comparing against. It's been one of the top AI video generators out there, and it still holds up incredibly well. That's what makes this comparison really exciting. I took the exact same prompts and ran them through both models, and I'm showing you a range of results. The ones that came out great and the ones that didn't, because that's the only way to get a real picture of what each model can actually do. let me use this time to explain something important. Not all AI video models are equal, and there's a reason for that. Each model you see today was trained differently, on different datasets with different architectures, optimized for different things. Some models prioritize photorealism, others focus on motion smoothness. Some are better at following complex prompts, others excel at cinematic camera movement. The result is that the same text prompt can produce completely different footage depending on which model you use. That's what you're watching right now. Seedance 2.0 and Gen 4.5 share the same prompt, but they were built differently, trained differently, and they see the world differently. And that's exactly what this comparison is designed to show you. After running both models through the same prompts, the results speak for themselves. Seedance produced consistently stronger footage, better motion, better detail, better realism. On top of that, it generates audio with every clip, ambient sound, atmosphere, ready to use straight out of Runway. But here's the reality check. In Runway's Explore mode on the Unlimited plan, each Seedance generation took around 15 minutes. To generate 40 clips for this video, it took roughly 10 hours of wait time. Gen 4.5 averaged around 5 minutes per clip. The same pattern shows up in credits mode. A 5-second Seedance clip costs 180 credits. The same clip in Gen 4.5 costs 60. That's 3 times less. For a project where quality is everything, Seedance is worth it. But for quick iterations and testing, Gen 4.5 is going to save you a lot of time. If you want to run these tests yourself, all the prompts from this video are available to download for free in the description below. And this is just the beginning. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We're going deeper into Runway, and I'm bringing one of the most requested topics from this channel, character consistency. One character, multiple scenes, multiple prompts, same person throughout the shots. It's one of the hardest things to pull off in AI video, and Runway has some very interesting tools for it. That's it for today. See you in the next one.